Welcome to my channel. I have a unboxing from Dymoon at the shop, but there's a little bit of story behind this. I'm not real happy with Dymoon's customer service. I ordered this a couple months ago, and I understand that it took a while, and I watched it on their on reversible, because they got a YouTube channel on the reversible YouTube channel, and I waited and I couldn't figure out what was going on. And when I was in the Gmail strolling down, I found an email from FedEx about this package saying they couldn't deliver it. When I went to their site, I discovered that, like a dum-dum, I had put the wrong address down by one number. Big fingers, what can I say? So I tried to contact them, and you know, they don't have an email, so I couldn't do that. So I tried to contact them two ways, through Messenger and Instagram, and Instagram showed that they were active, so they were on there, so I know they got my message last night. And I explained to them what happened. I told them I had corrected and that I didn't know if I was going to be able to get it, but if it came back, I would repay the shipping. Could you please acknowledge you get this? Well, as of this day, they still have never even acknowledged it. So that puts them in the gyp shit with me. I don't care if a diamond painting, it could be made out of gold. If the customer service is not good, I can't count on them if there's something wrong. Okay? I mean, I realize it's my fault, but they still should have answered that email. They haven't, and this isn't the only thing. I messaged them earlier to find out even what was going on with my order. Days went by, a week went by, 2 weeks went by. They never even answered. So I don't think much of their their customer service. Now, this is just my experience, but here it is. I was able to get on FedEx, and I didn't know if it was going to work, but I put in there to have it redirected to this address. Well, apparently it worked. How did it come? Well, it came well protected. There is a scratch, as you see here. Okay, sorry about that lighting. I moved to where I got better lighting. Okay. Yeah, so I am glad I got it. Now the thing, I guess they express FedEx here to wherever you are, but it still has to go through customs. So from the time they showed it on the video, actually, to what I get is maybe 10 days to 2 weeks. That's showing you right there. They have a little sticker there. Yeah, one number off, and they got my name right there. So let's see if we can get this up. She sure wraps the hell out of it. I have another package coming today through regular UPS. I will film it today and schedule it for another day. Well, I probably won't film it tomorrow because this batteries on this thing is getting a little bit low. Oh, my goodness. Ain't nothing getting through this sucker. Okay, I really should have placed that order because I had made an account with them a long time ago, and I should have just checked. I didn't realize I had accidentally got one number off. So this thing better be good because it's giving me a headache. Boy, that woman really believes in tape. I think she over-tapes it. Dang it. People, if you get it, they're overwrapping it. I don't think they want you to get into it. I tell you, I think Treasure Art Studios has got a much better customer service. When DHL messed up on a package I sent her, and I contacted Treasure Art, she tracked it down for her. I mean, she just went out of her way. This company didn't. So like I said, I'm not very happy with their customer service. Will I order them again because I don't know. I really don't. If their customer service is that freaking bad. Now, with email, I wouldn't expect to hear for a couple of days. I went to their messenger because I needed to get it immediate answer. And it showed Instagram that they were active on there, so I know they got the message. It's no doubt they read it. Oh, pretty paper though. But it is a fight to get it open. This is so well packaged, you ain't getting nothing out of it. I don't see how anything could get damaged. Oh, it's paper. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Yes, it's here, it's here. I don't like rubber bands, but it's a rubber. So they even got a bubble wrap. It might have been a little excessive on my order because you will see what I got in there, what I ordered. There was no way that painting was going to get damaged. So if it's damaged, it happened on their watch. Because there's no way it could have gotten painted. Okay. Before I show you their toolkit, comes in a green bag. In a green bag. Comes with 2 pins with a 9 placer. I know. I'll take the placer off. I don't use these pins. And 1, 2, 4 pieces. They're really generous on their wax. You know, there's 4 pieces here. So I like that. Okay, before we look at the drills, the first thing I ordered was the dymoon tube that they got. I think I paid $15 to $20 for that. The painting is inside this. I saw them pack it. Hello? Before I drank the thing out. They never did give me my first time over. But what they were sending was a piece of crap. It was nothing. It's a metal, like those voter things. You see sometimes people have pen that says like I vote or vote for one of those. So let's up this one first. Yeah, this one is one of those cheap little light up. Boy, she's even got it taped. You know, she's got a tape obsession. Telling you. I don't think all that tape is necessary. Little green. I really don't. Now she lit it up because I saw her do it on there. There we go. And this one, I was really surprised because I looked it up on her site. You can get this pin on her site. It's $15. I don't want to lose these. I don't want to lose these. I'd be in trouble if I lost those. You know, truthfully, I just expected them to hurry up and send it, but I expected it to go through, well, like any other company to go through, and they didn't. They sent it FedEx Express, but even coming from the Philippines, I was shocked at it because it's got to go through customs. So I was really, really shocked that I got it this soon. So here it is. They call it a feather pin. Isn't that pretty, people? They got it on their site. Like I said, it's $15. So, you know, that's not what you call a cheap gift. So I'm really impressed. Um, I'll show you that when we do the drills. It's not a real big painting that I got. Put this back in here. Let's see where this goes. I think it goes at this end. Which may be harder. And it goes at that end. Which won't hook on here because the thing is too thick for this. There we go. It was very difficult because the thing is really thick, and as you see, this is really thin. You know what? I'm a fool with this later because I'd like to get it on there. Let's take a look. It is called Ghost Riders or Ghost Maker. Yeah, the Ghost Maker. Here it is. You really can't tell what it is by looking at it so much. Like you can a little bit this way. She's going to have electric there. I don't like her mouth so much on there, but I may, and I don't like it, well, no, it'll probably be all right to finish. Let's see. I don't want to ruin this, so I am not going to put this all the way off. And it's real thin, so this is when I go to work on it. Will be going off. And I'll be parchment paper. Oh, I love the glue. Oh yeah, that glue is great. The symbols are really clear. Look at that. Take a look. So I'm really pleased. It doesn't have the schematics on the sides or anywhere on the painting. That could be a good thing, it could be a bad thing. The good thing is, as you see there, it's kind of like a frame already. When you finish this, you really don't have to buy a frame. You could just put it up. If it wasn't for this dymoon shot down here, you could do that. But you could match this up with some paint, like color the paint, and just paint over it. Let's look at the drill. First of all, I'm not going to open this because I don't want them to spill. But they set some electric drills. It will go around her mouth out here, through here, through here, through here. I will probably start at the top. I may want to change that around, I don't know. Here is the somatic. Well, here, get it. Okay, here is the somatic. It's a real thin slice. Oh, they send you a lot of bags with it. It's some labels. Oh, wow. It's got 40 colors. Let's look at some of the colors. 3753, 159, 160, some purples, some blues. Look at those purples. I tell you, I hope this is going to be enough. But oh, this must have been done, and I know they inspect it, because as you see here, it's on the bag, and then I got these little, for the 820 in a bag, so maybe they discovered that, they call it control, but it's on here. Yeah. $38.65. Okay, it goes through here. I'm gonna have to watch that video where she says she put them, because that apparently is that, and they don't have a symbol at all for the electric diamonds. I really wish they would. I think they're kind of giving you a choice, because it seems like on her thing she says do it around the mouth in the outlining of her body. I'm going to have to watch that video to see where she put them, suggested. But I think this is going to, I'm definitely going to need a light pad, and my eyes are bad, and these symbols are really, really small. It's real, real tiny. So I am not seeing any kind of trash at all in these. I don't see any hitchhikers. These drills do seem smaller, hence the number. There's no training wheels in it. I know a lot of people are bothered that. I'm not. I'm sorry. Training wheels do not bother me in the least. This is very important because if you lose this, you might as well throw the painting away. You cannot lose this. So it's going to go back into this tube. This is where it's going to be stored. I think this is adjustable. I really ordered this to well, not really, because it did loose. So that is it for release this video. Happy diamond painting. I will catch you next time. Will I order it from them again? I don't know. I will as far as my giveaway. Okay, this is just a PS. I know Diamond Moon's a popular company and everything, so I'm sorry if you are happy with this review. You know, I just can't give a good review for a company that I've had a bad experience with. You know, I gotta give an honest opinion regardless of what everybody else does. You know, I may have been a fluke, granted. I'm only speaking, I'm not telling anybody not to order from. I'm just telling you my experience with this company. Dang. I'll forward that later. So, you know, I gotta give my honest opinion. I'm sorry. You know, I could order them a dozen times. Now they got my cracked address and never ever again have another issue with them. Then again, what if I run out of drills and I message them I run out of drills? Am I going to get an answer? And looking at my experience with them now, that would be very doubtful in my mind. So I just don't know. That's something I'm going to have to think about. I mean, it was my mess up, not theirs. However, they should have got back to me then. They should have got back with me 2-3 weeks ago when I messaged them to inquire about my order. And they ignored that too. I know they're on Instagram because I can see them active on Instagram. I may give them one more chance, I don't know. It's really something I'm gonna have to think hard on. But I am impressed with the shipping speed. You know, I did like the fact that I loved watching it being packed up on their channel. I think that is so fun to see them actually packed up. Their gifts are great. Couldn't ask for better gifts, I'll tell you. It's something else. Because as far as the painting's concerned, their gifts, it's the glue, I mean, it's A1, A+, super duper, great, fantastic, awesome, awesome. It's just their customer service that I was unhappy with. But if I would order this, because I didn't realize, I figured they just kind of ship through like other companies do. So I thought, you know, $30 is a little steep on shipping when it's almost as much as the painting, but they FedEx it gets you quicker. I wouldn't mind paying a little less for shipping and have it sent regular mail. But I did love getting it quick, FedEx. I just don't understand how it could have gone through customs as that quickly from the time, according to FedEx, for the date they got it, until now, was quicker than any company I've seen coming from China. Or the Philippines, as far as that goes. Anyways, happy diamond painting.